Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. In today's video, I'm going to try to do a diorama. So my sister Tammy Pally over at Peace Craft Dolls and I host an annual Virtual Blythe Retreat where we create a character around a Blythe doll. This year it's all about dance, and one of the workshops is a diorama. And right now I'm trying to figure out what I can use for diorama. Now, I have this board right here. It's actually a thick piece of cardboard. That may be an idea. I know in the workshop instructions, Kim is actually calling for us to use like a foam board. And I'm going to try to do this without spending any money. So I'm looking at boxes or maybe some other things I have. So I'm going to go shopping in my, right now, catastrophe, very messy craft room. So besides that board right there, I've come across a couple of other items that I might be able to use. So I have this ABS plastic. It's smooth on one side and textured on the other. I don't know if you can really see the texture. It's kind of bumpy like. And then one side is real slippery. In the workshop, we actually use acrylic paint, and I'm not for sure that that paint is going to adhere to that. So that might not be the best idea. I also could use maybe some, what do you call it? Scrapbooking paper and glue on there, but I still don't know if that's going to work or not. Something else I have, the lighting in here is really bad, sorry, but anyway, I do have this paper. It's very thick, but I don't know if it's going to be tall enough. And then I was sitting here looking around and I spotted something else. This box. I might be able to use that as a dance studio. I like this. I would just keep that. I need to come up with some type of wood, quote, wood flooring. And I probably won't have to do any painting at all. Let me mess around with this and see what I can come up with. And I'll probably just come back and show you the finished product and explain to you what I did. For the flooring, I just used 2 pieces of scrapbooking paper that kind of look like wood and just matched them together. And here we go. That was the top of the box. And then I took the bottom of the box and I just fit it in there like that. Didn't even have to paint anything. The next thing I needed to do was figure out a ballet bar. And I have a whole bunch of these bamboo sticks, so I thought that would be perfect for the ballet bar. But I needed somehow to put it up. And I thought, well, I'll just get a couple of glasses. Same size, put one on each side, and then just balance the bamboo stick across there, and voila, we have us a ballet bar. And you're not going to see the glasses when we're taking pictures. And here's Jetty doing her bar routine. And when you don't need the bar, it's easy just to get rid of it. And we have a dance studio for other types of dancers. Here we have a couple of hip hop dancers, Jayla and Malabar. Thank y'all for joining me, and stay tuned. I've got some shorts coming up all about a little photo shoot with these girls in the dance studio. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.